As we gather around the table of the Lord's Word and body this morning, we wish to warmly welcome the students, the faculty, and the staff of St. Dominic Academy in Pulilan, Bulacan, together in the name of our Rector, Monsignor Rolando de la Cruz, together with the Manila Cathedral staff and servants, we wish to welcome you to the Minor Basilica of the Immaculate Conception, the Manila Cathedral. Let us give them a warm round of applause. Welcome po sa inyo. Maligayang pagdating. My dear brothers and sisters, in one way or another, we all face the reality that we have our dreams and our aspirations. At tamang-tama, madami po tayong mga bata na nasa harapan natin. At tiyak ako kayong mga bata, you may be now looking forward to your own dreams. Nangangarap pa ba kayo? May mga pinapangarap pa ba kayo? And in order to mark our journey towards that dream, we need ways how to go through it and go to it. Kung gusto nyong gumraduate, ano ang gagawin ninyo? Mag-aaral mabuti. Kung tumungtong na kayo at nakapagtrabaho na tayo, meron po tayong mga nagtatrabaho pa dito. If you wish to work and to be promoted, you would work well, right? And if you wish, for example, to live physically well, then you would need to find ways how to be physically well by doing your exercise, by doing your diet, so on and so forth. If you dream something, you wish to point out ways how to get through it. Our readings today, for example, first and foremost, St. Paul reminded the Roman community about his labor and how he found ways to instill on them the gospel of Jesus, right character, and even strengthening Christ's foundation and presence among them. In Paul, we can evidently see that looking and treading new ways can indeed bear fruit. But our gospel today, most especially the attitude of the steward, yung katiwala, would like at least to tweak the reality. May mga paraan, pero hindi para lumago, pero para mandaya, pero para manliit ang pananaw sa buhay. The steward thought of ways how to regain his title as steward, but it was for some weak reasons that he did those. In the same way, looking and treading new ways or ways can also desire something bad. If we are ever to desire or dream of something, we will be taught and ways will be given unto us. At ang dalangin natin sa bawat isa, ang piliin natin yung mga pamamaraan na gagawin tayong mabuti at maganda ang loob. Our saint for today, Saint Leo the Great, gained the name the Great because he himself defended the church in ways how to prove it. He saw the possibility of these ways in order to strengthen one's profession and faith in Jesus. Mulit-muli, bibigyan tayo ng mga paraan o minsan tayo mismo gagawa tayo ng mga paraan sa mga bagay na ninanais at pinapangarap natin. Paraan para lumago, paraan para maging banal, paraan para maging mabuti. When given ways and even when ways are set before us, may we go through it and be better with it. Lagi tayong haharapan ng dalawang mga pamamaraan. At madalas, yung dalawang pamamaraan nito, may pamamaraan para unti-unti dalin tayo sa mga hindi magagandang bagay at mga pamamaraan para dalin tayo sa ating ikabubuti. Choose ways how to be happy and to be holy. Ways to be unwell may faint us. Gagawin tayong hindi maganda o mamasamain tayo ng mga bagay na ito. But ways to be well will make us prosper, blessed, and graceful. Tamang-tama muli, nagdito ang mga kabataan po natin. Alam nyo, madami pa kayong mga haharapin, madami pa kayong mga dapat pag-isipan at dapat tahakin. At muli, dalawang bagay ang ihaharap sa inyo. Madaming marahil mga pamamaraan pa ang ilalagay sa unahan ng inyong mga mata for a better and bright future. It is our hope as your ate and kuya, nanay, tatay, and tito here, and to your families, to choose what will make you better. We will be, or we might be, in front of two ways. See the ways that will make us better and will promote kindness to each other. Mabuting pamamaraan para sa mabuting ikauunlad.